We'll guide you through how to set up Stripe payments quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate the Payments tab on the left-hand side. Click on it to open the Payments overview. Next, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. This is where you'll configure your payment settings. You'll need to ensure your account is fully verified, so go to the account settings and complete any necessary verification steps if you haven't already. Once your account is verified, return to the Payments section. Click on Payment Methods to select the payment methods you want to offer your customers. Stripe supports credit card payments, ACH transfers, and more, so choose the ones that suit your business needs. After selecting your payment methods, go back to the dashboard and click on Developers in the left menu. Here, you'll find the API keys that you'll need to integrate Stripe with your website or application. Make sure to use your test API keys initially to ensure everything works smoothly before going live. Copy these keys and integrate them into your site or app according to your platform's specific instructions. Finally, once you're confident that your setup is correct, switch to the live API keys to start accepting real payments. Remember to test your payment process thoroughly to make sure everything works as expected. That's it, you're all set to start accepting payments with Stripe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.